Mama, you know how much I love you.
Mama no chimanyo kunkunda.
We love you so much.
Twena ntukunda mnonga.
We gave appreciation letter to Honorable Bahat, but we gave you a cow mamo. It is still here.
Tukakweba hayo kusima kurabira Honorable Bahat. Beitu tukakwente echiryaho mfamu yitu.
Since I can see behind you there is a lorry, maybe you will go with it today.
Obundi kureba aho enyuma hariho ekirore no genda na yerizo.
And but we pray for you and we continue to pray for you.
Tukushabira kandi tugumiza mun tukushabira.
Then on the side of Daddy, who is my friend, who gave me a sweet when I was in P7.
Baitu nagarkare bajurwa tata ogoni we mnywano wanje akampa sweet obunabire ndio mchamshanje.
That's where our good relationship began from. I was there in Kazo.
Noho mukago gwitu gwatandikire nkaba ndio muri Kazo.
In the bush.
Ukaba kiryo mu kishaka.
That's where our good relationship began from.
Orukurwanira ihangeri bitaka kwate kitu kakatandikiro.
You have begun the campaign of skilling Uganda.
Ukatandika nehuru yo kwereza emyoga Uganda.
We appreciate it so much.
Tukusima mnonga habwecho.
But however, as a church we feel
nke kanisa netura
that we can contribute through our friends from different corners of this world.
Nitwe hinechi turukubasa kutaho okurabira mbanywani bitu kurabwo monseze yindi.
For that matter, I want to bring before you this point that before you over there we have one of our friends that we have been convincing from different nations, but today we have one of the great men. I'm sure you must be knowing that face because you met in Beijing, China.
Ogwemsheja narga Beijing tumuretsire okurete emyoga. Eva Kanusu Lobat.
So we want to support your vision of skilling this nation. Through inviting those who are going to create jobs here. I request that our vision will be protected whenever we are in transaction looking for investors from outside to this place. Because Your Excellency have been in many nations in this world except South America, but the rest have been there. I know what it means and how the things outside there. Then there is another team that we are trying to. We know you have been fighting a big battle of homosexuality. But we cannot fight it from here. We want to use people from outside to fight for us. We have got the team that are coming from that comes from America. That are joining and they are fighting for you, His Excellency. They are also there and they are praying for us and they are campaigning for us because Uganda have made a record in the whole world. Lastly, I appreciate my sister here. Because 2012, that's when we covenanted Ankolre as a city of the gospel, and it came to pass. We are ready to bring the gospel into the whole world. We love you. We continue praying for you and bless your name. Bless the name of God for you.
Thank you very much.
Time has gone.
Very quickly,
thank you,
Honorable Rita.
Honorable Rita,
grab the mic. We are closing.
We are closing.
Honorable Rita is the Member of Parliament for Women from Barara. Because of time, we had prepared more speeches. She is going to ask